Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Home with Kimberly. Today I'm going to show you how to make a refreshing and very healthy green juice icicle pop that even your pickiest eaters will love. Stay tuned. You guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. You can change this up to, whatever flavors you like in your popsicles, whatever you think your kids would go for. Such a quick, easy, and delicious summer treat to have on hand for your kids. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Please leave a comment below. I would love to hear about what kind of ideas you have to get your little ones to eat healthy, and I will see you next time.